Good morning! So, ayusin ko muna aking cameras. Last day today in this beautiful place. Ayan, very sunny day. Kahapon kasi super cloudy. So ngayon, eto last day namin. So, humahabol yung sun. Ayan. Gisingin na mamaya si John ko. Si Nanang ayun nagluluto na ng aming brunch. Isingin ko na muna si Chester. Ano oras nakatapos kami kanina? Just was very late na. I think 5 o'clock. Siyempre, nagkukulit ang magpamilya. So, ika lang. Boss! Wake up na! Tanghali na. Tinilis na nang! Dali! Ayan. So, mag-sunbathing muna tayo. Kasi our checkout actually is 11 o'clock. But we ask a favor. So, na kung okay lang mag-late checkout. So, it's okay for 2 o'clock. So, we have enough time. Come on, love. Let's go.
Ready for the beach?
Yep.